Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. It's just about 6 a.m. here in North Naples, Florida. I am standing on the beach at Del Norwegians Pass State Park. There's some pretty impressive lightning out there in the Gulf of Mexico. It's quite far away. I don't think I'm going to make it up to Wiggins Pass this morning for sunrise. I'm just mesmerized by this lightning here. I wanted to get an early start and share it with you. That cloud on the right, man, every once in a while it fires up. Just huge. By the way, it's about 79 degrees here. The tide's coming in, water temperatures around 88 or so. You can still see the stars. Wow, the stars up in the sky above that cloud on the right there, twinkling. I know it's dark. We should see these clouds getting more and more color in them as the sun rises. Alex, good morning. Happy Thursday. Looks like a light bulb inside of the clouds, doesn't it? That's so cool. Hey, think about who's out here early on the beach sharing this with you. If you enjoy seeing sights like this, hit that share button, send some stars. So cool. Christina, good morning. I know it's dark, but when that lightning flashes, boy, this is skylight up here. That one cloud on the right, every once in a while, that thing just glows with the lightning. Looks like it's starting to slow down again. That's miles and miles and miles away from us out into the Gulf. And most of the lightning, there you go, most of the lightning's on the backside of that storm. Can't even see it. I've been out here for, 45 minutes now. Watching the show. There's been times where that entire cloud is lit up. I think we're going to have some incredible colors when that sun rises. Look at that. Trying to walk here. I'm trying to see where I'm walking. Trying to get up to the north end of the beach. Trying to look for sea turtle tracks. Sea turtles. You never know. There could be one up on the beach still, nesting. It's still pretty dark here. Just seeing the first signs of light behind me to the east. It's so cool. Just never know what we're going to see in the mornings here. I do my best to share it with you. I love sharing our weather with you. Rainy days, thunderstorms, tropical storms, hurricanes. Makes for some exciting live feeds. We've done this a couple times. Been out here early morning for these lightning shows. Apparently nobody's out of bed yet. That is a massive storm cell out there. If you have it, check your Wink weather app. Check the local radar here on Wink for Naples, Florida. You can see where that storm is located in relation to Del Norwigans Pass State Park. It's pretty far out there. Don't hear any thunder, so that's a good thing. Clouds are really taking on an orange glow now. It was very, very dark when I first started. Usually right at sunrise is when just before sunrise and at sunrise is when the lightning really peaks. Much to see yet, other than the storm. Still dark. You can see the light, the marker, the channel marker light flashing here in the distance. Yeah, barely. It's so dark up there. I actually attempted to do a live feed at about 5:30 this morning, and the lightning died down in the storm. It was just too dark. That is amazing. I think it's still flashing. Not noticed any sea turtle tracks, but kind of watching the screen here, looking down, making sure I don't fall in any holes. Very easily could have missed the crawl this morning. I hope we have a new sea turtle nest today. Well, I think it's starting to settle down out there. Got a couple things I have to do real quick, and then, ooh, there was a nice one. Then I'll be back. I don't know if we're going to catch sunrise at Wiggins Pass. I still got a little bit of a walk ahead of me. We'll see what happens. But I will be back shortly. I got to share that Naples House of Omelets post this morning, their lobster Benedict. You'll be seeing that here in a couple minutes. No stars, huh, for an early morning start. Boy. Boy, oh boy. All right. I'll be back. Stay tuned. If I don't see you later, have a wonderful Thursday. Hey, until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. God bless.